This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering prerequisites, a clean CSV or SIS export, and confirmed course ID. Once done, open the LMS import tool and select the correct term to avoid misplacement. Make sure roles and permissions are set for bulk enrollments before importing so students gain access immediately. You'll map columns next, match user ID, email, role, course ID. This first action reduces errors and speeds the rest of the process, so don't skip verification of course codes and access settings. Now you execute the core import and mapping steps. Start the LMS import wizard, choose CSV or SIS, and upload your file. Then carefully map each column to LMS fields, user ID to user, course ID to course, and role to role, because mismatches create duplicate accounts or failed enrollments. Once mapped, run a small test import with 5 to 10 users to validate behavior. If the test succeeds, proceed with the full import. If not, adjust mappings and rerun the test to confirm fixes. Finish by verifying enrollments. Open the course roster and use Student View to confirm access. Once done, reconcile any missing or incorrect users by adjusting permissions or manually adding them. Make sure notifications are sent and sections are correct. If issues arise, check CSV formatting for hidden characters, duplicate accounts, and whether SIS sync has overridden changes. One key troubleshooting tip: if many failures occur, revert the import, fix the CSV formatting errors, and re-import only corrected rows to avoid compounding mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.